Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the super simple eye look using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. The first step is to apply Flourishing. It's a really beautiful green teal color, and to apply it I'm using a flat brush and just using really gentle pressing motions to really pack on the color. So a pro tip is, if you want to avoid fallout, build the look slowly. So take your time really pressing and packing the color onto your lid. And this palette by Jeffree Star is honestly really beautiful. To be honest, I really wasn't a fan, you could say, of like any of his stuff. I felt like everything had already been done by somebody else. But when I saw this palette come out, I was like, whoa, I need to have it. The colors are honestly really unique and beautiful. So in this video, I have already prepped my skin and applied my foundation and did all that. So I really want to ensure that I'm not getting fallout anywhere, and by using small tapping motions, you're really going to pack on the color and avoid fallout. Next, you want to take a fluffy brush and just very gently buff out the outer rim of the eye. And you don't want to go too crazy with, buffing it out, because we do want a little bit of a shape to it, like almost like an enlarged cat eye. So just buff it out very lightly. As you can see, I'm barely buffing it. To make the look really pop, I'm using the color Entitled and pressing it on top of Flourishing. So a pro tip is to use your fingertip to really press on a sparkly shade. This is gonna make the color really pop and stick to the skin. And again, I'm just using really small pressing motions to make sure that the color is not flying all over the place. You want to go back in with the same brush that you used to blend out Flourishing and just do the same thing very lightly. To add some drama to the look, I thought it would be really nice to add a cat eye to it. So I'm using the Cosmetics liquid lipstick in black and using it as an eyeliner with a really small precision brush. So I'm going to leave all the details below in the description box for everything that I used on my skin, everything else that I used. But this liquid lipstick was honestly super easy to apply onto the eye. It didn't flake, it didn't smudge, it didn't lose the darkness of the color. So I really love that. And whenever you're doing a cat eye, just take your time. Honestly, with cat eyes, like, you can't breathe, you can't blink, you can't think. You just kind of gotta take your time and make sure that your cat eye is on point. No look would be complete without that inner corner glow, and for this I'm using the shade Cullinan, and just FYI, that's the name of a Rolls-Royce vehicle. So fun fact for you guys. So for this I'm using a bullet brush to press on the color, but honestly you can use your fingers if you're on the go and need a quick pick-me-up. This is a great way to do it. Just add a little shimmer to your inner corner and bam. When I do a statement eye, I like to keep everything else pretty balanced and neutral so your eyebrows don't stick out too much. Like, you want to focus on the eye. So for this, I just used a boy brow and lightly brushed up my brows and just kind of groomed them, but I didn't do a pencil because I didn't want the focus feature to be my brows and my eyes. I want it to just be the eyeshadow. So this is a great way to do that, and it keeps your eyebrows looking super natural. Next, you want to curl your lashes to give your lashes a little lift, and then apply mascara. So this time I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara to give my lashes a really full and drama-like effect. So just add a couple of coats. And I've been dying to try a new mascara. Leave a comment below with your favorite mascara that I should try. And that is it, my angels. This is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the glow up with your friends. I'm also going to be leaving all the products that I use on my skin in the description box below.